Many AC units fail early or cause safety issues because of improper disconnect wiring. Today I'll show you the right way to install a 60 amp disconnect that's 100% compliant with the 2024 Ontario Electrical Safety Code. Here's everything you'll need. Liquid tight conduit with fittings, a 60 amp non-fused disconnect, the correct wire size for your breaker, and grounding hardware rate approved for outdoor use. Start by mounting the disconnect in a location that is visible and accessible. Code requires it to be within sight of the unit. Use corrosion resistant screws or anchors for outdoor installation, and always remember to stay within the code compliance rules. Ontario Electrical Safety Code. Always remember, when it comes to your liquid tight conduit and your tech cable, measure your liquid tight conduit runs so they're clean and without necessary bends. This makes pulling conductors easier and looks more professional for the installation. Also always remember that to stay within your code compliance, and always remember to research your code when it comes to your installation rules. Also, just a friendly reminder, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the like button, and also for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member of Fabian Electrical Services Inc. by clicking the link that posted in the comment section. Pull your conductors carefully to avoid installation damage. In Ontario, the OESC requires all metallic parts to be bonded. Here I'm using a bonding bushing with a copper pigtail directly to the disconnect enclosure. Connecting your line side from the panel and the load side to the AC unit, always torque terminals to the manufacturer's specification. This ensures a solid, safe connection. For this unit, we're using a 2-pole breaker size according to the nameplate reading. Don't forget to clearly label the breaker and the disconnect for safety and inspection purposes. Once your wiring is complete, power and test for correct voltage. The unit should start smoothly. This setup is neat, safe, and ready for inspection.